A shocking tragedy. Nature spoke. The earth shook. That instant, some thought it was the end of the world. But for many, it was God's way of giving us a message, an awakening for everything that we did wrong. The world was looking at us. The whole Philippines mourns the unseen disaster and the deaths of many Filipinos in this part of the north. After the fury of Mount Pinatubo, the sight was heartbreaking. Large parts of lands and even rivers were covered with ashes from the volcano. The only visible things are rooftops and television antennas. No trace of life. Childhood memories erased. With the looks of it, many feared that it would become a vast desert in the north of the Philippines. Nobody at that point would want to live and rebuild homes in a desert-like land. That was in 1991. One municipality that stood out from the disaster is Capas. Capas was originally a town of Pampanga. It became one of the 7 towns covered by the Politico-Military Comandancia in 1858 and became a town of the newly created province of Tarlac in 1873. It is situated in the southwestern part of Tarlac province in the northern part of Luzon. Historical records suggest 3 versions on how Capas got its name. The first version, as told, was originated from capas, the edible flower similar to that of the katuray that abundantly grew along the Kutkut riverbanks. The second version, accordingly, was adapted from a cotton tree called capas in Aita dialect. The third version suggested that it was through the corruption of the first 3 letters from the surnames of the town early settlers, namely Capitulo, Capitli, Capiendo, Capuno, Capunga, Capingyan,